Hey guys, what's happening? We're here today at the shop. This is my buddy David right here. And he's gonna be the video guy, even though we got a tripod, but he might be recording whenever he has time. But today we're gonna be doing the teardown on the engine. So we're pulling this 2J apart. We're gonna be getting it down to the block, and let's get this thing going. We got everything pretty much off, all the bolts off. I think this last bracket off. Alright, so we're going to be taking off the serpentine belts, and you need a 14mm wrench, and when you push it down it'll loosen up the tensioner, and you can take the belt off, and then we're going to pull the alternator off, the power steering, and kind of go from there. So. Power steering come off. What's going on? We got Andre over here. We got another friend. These guys are just so stoked for me. They're just here to help me out, and we're getting this crank pulley off right now. So let's see how it goes. Let's hope it pops off, guys. So. We're gonna pull this timing serpentine belt tensioner off. Let's hope the bolts don't fall down in there. Come on, baby. We'll go back to that one. Oh, my battery's died.
Ooh.
Hold your thought. All right, get the big boy out. Oh. There he goes.
Would you look at that?
Oops. Nope. All right.
1, 2, 3, and it's out.
We got the tensioner off, but we didn't get it on video. So we got it at top dead center. We're gonna pull the timing belt off, and we'll be pulling off the cams next. So yeah.
Look at that.
We're ready.
Nice and clean.
Just a few more things and we can get this head popped off.
Yep.
And then we'll get down to the oil pan.
I thought you told me this was a V8.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Look at the V8. No, ain't no V8. We got it down to the crank. Now we gotta pull these rods off, pistons. This dealio off for the tensioner and pull this oil pump off right now.
here we are. We got the block, the engine down all the way to the block. And let me show you guys kind of how it looks right now. The cylinders actually look pretty good. We'll take it down to the machine shop and see what they say. If we're gonna need to hone it or not, we might be able, bore it. We might be able to get away with a hone. We'll see. So the crank seemed like it was spinning fine before I pulled the main caps off. Got the stock pistons over here. I got the head over here. So that's probably gonna be our next project. In the machine, the block to the machine shop and figuring out the bottom end parts, and taking this head apart and building that. And yeah, so here it is. Everything's just kind of laid out, bunch of parts to clean. And yeah guys, so that's it for this video. We'll be doing the next video here pretty soon, hopefully. I'd like to get on it ASAP, but you know, with work and everything else, I'm gonna try to get on it. But you know, stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.